This video is an update on Micronote's progress, what efforts are being made to start building a learning community, and what you can do if you would like to contribute. If you have watched to the end of any of my more recent videos, you may have seen that I've been making a call out for community submissions. Junfeng Zhu made the first submission on his online service Tinkerdoodle. The article on his project is live on micronote.tech on the community page. I encourage you to check it out if you get the chance. It is a really awesome service for MicroPython programmers that I can see myself using. If you want us to publish an article on your project to the community page on micronote.tech, you can fill out the community submission form. A link to this form is located on the community page, and a link will be provided in the description of this video. Projects can be about anything related to electronics and programming, but we would prefer projects that are related to other articles on our website by sharing at least one tag. You can currently find a list of tags by visiting any article on the website. By publishing content from the community that is related to other content on Micronote, we can weave a web of educational content where people can learn from each other's experiences. This brings me to the next subject, article monetization. Recently, I added a new feature to article pages on micronote.tech. If you go to any article page, you will now see a tipping card and a web monetization card. The tipping card is very straightforward. If you author a community submission for micronote.tech, you may send us monetization information for viewers to send tips. This could be cryptocurrency wallet addresses or more traditional payment URLs like the PayPal one I have here. The web monetization card represents a more experimental method of monetization. This card works with a service called Coil. Coil lets users subscribe to their service and in return automatically sends micropayments to content creators whose content they are consuming online. All of this is in an effort to achieve these two goals. First, make micronote.tech a safe and focused environment for learning. The use of web monetization and tipping systems allows us to support micronote.tech without putting ads on our website. The intent of ads is to distract and bait viewers into clicking on them, which runs counter to our goal of educating and building a learning community. The second goal is to reward authors for quality work. This goal is simple. Any author that makes quality contributions to micronote.tech deserves the ability to be directly rewarded for their work. This brings me to my last point on this subject, which is, if you run across an article that you like on micronote.tech, consider tipping the author through any one of the channels that I mentioned. I'm really happy with how far Micronote has progressed this year. Micronote has gone from being just an idea to a company producing regular content. I'm currently working on a couple new guides, one of them being a project which uses knowledge from other guides I've created. So stay tuned for more interesting content.